Hey girlfriends, happy Sunday. Welcome to Sister Girl Second Act. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sheila, and here I create delicious, intuitive recipes for you, for women in our second act. Today I'm going to be making savory and sweet potatoes. That's right. It's very easy. You know, I try to eat healthy as I get older. I try to keep the nourishment and, the healthy types of food, and I like to make them as delicious as I can. So today I'm going to be doing savory and sweet. The savory is going to be a loaded sweet potato, and the sweet is also going to be loaded, but it's going to be sweet. We'll have cream cheese, honey, and walnuts with some the honey drizzled on the top. And for the savory portion, we'll have ground turkey, some onions. I'm going to saute them up, and then a mixture of Parmesan and feta cheese. Delicious. I'm telling you, I think you're going to love it. So you know what to do. Grab a snack, get a drink, come on back, and let's get started. All cleaned up and ready for the oven. Okay, now it's time for the sweet stuffed sweet potato. I have some whipped cream cheese, as you can see here. Go ahead and put it inside of, you could probably use, if you wanted, yogurt or some ice cream, or the sky's the limit as far as like whatever you want to put in here to make it a dessert type. So I put that in there. Kind of messy because I'm using my fingers, don't mind me, because the next place it's going is in my stomach. But yeah, we got this. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some walnuts on top of this. Look how simple this is. You can do this with your eyes closed practically. Now, the other thing I have to tell you is to make sure that your sweet potato cools down a little bit before you put this on it. But you can put walnuts, you could put raisins, you could put cranberries, whatever you'd like to put on as a topping. Then, here is the piece de resistance. Wow. This looks so good. Let me give you a close-up of that. Go ahead and drizzle a little bit more honey on here. And then I'm going to do the same with this one. Wow. And that's all you do. Doesn't that look beautiful? I can hardly wait to try this. Wow. And there you have savory and sweet. Delicious. Simple on the healthy side because we got ground turkey and feta cheese and onions and your sweet potato, of course. Yes, delicious. So that's going to do it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please let me know how you try it out. And by the way, if you already make loaded stuffed sweet potatoes, tell me what you use inside. I'd love to hear about it. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you don't know, I have a podcast now. It's called No Reinvention Needed, Just a Return, where we talk about, things that are happening around us in life and, rediscovering things in ourselves. And it's just like having a good talk with the girls. It comes on every single Thursday on Spotify, iHeart, and Apple. So, until next time, take care, and I'll talk to you. Have a great week. Bye.